Alright, hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have an eyeshadow tutorial for you on this orange fall inspired eyeshadow look using the Natasha Denona Peak eyeshadow palette. So this eyeshadow palette was featured in BoxyCharm this month, so I wanted to make a tutorial on this look I created with it. So if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyelids off camera, so I'm going to take the Natasha Denona Peak eyeshadow palette and a large fluffy blending brush. This is a Moda Pro BMX 430 crease brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Hoola, which is this coral salmony color, and I'm going to put this all over my crease. And I'm going to be sure to drag my shadow out a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take a Morphe M433 and go into the shade Jasper, which is this matte orange, and just put this in the crease beneath the shade I just put down. Okay, then I'm going to take Thorn, which is the matte brown shade in the center on the M433, and just work this into the outer corner and outer crease. And then I'm just going to go in with my fluffy blending brush again and just make sure everything in the crease is blended how I want it to be. And now for the lid, I'm going to take a flat shading brush and I'm going to go into Shine, which is this light gold shimmer on the end, and I'm going to pat this all over. And then I'm going to take a M506 and just go back into Thorn, the deep brown color, and just blend out the edge of the shimmer and deepen up the outer corner. And then to highlight beneath my brow bone, I'm going to take a M421 brush and just take the shade Aya, which is a matte off-white, and just highlight beneath the arch of my brow. Okay, I'm gonna go and do part of my face makeup off camera and I'll be back so we can finish the rest of the eye look. Okay, so I'm back to finish the lower lash line. I'm going to take a Luxie mini angled brush and I'm going to go into the shade Amhara, and I'm just going to buff this all over the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a Morphe M506 and go into the shade Jasper and just work this all over the lower lash line, just right above the shade I just placed down. And then I'm going to take Thorn with the same brush and just work this into the outer third to outer half of the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the shade Shine and just put a little bit of this in the inner corner to brighten it. Alright, this is it for the eyeshadow. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Alright, to finish off my look, I used the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and then for blush, I took the Colourpop Monochromatic Blush Duo in the shade Soft Peach, and I just took the matte shade of the two. And then for highlight, I am using the Colourpop Cosmetics Super Shock Cheek in Lunch Money, and then for lipstick, I took the Half Caked Lip Fondant in the shade Theme Song, and last but not least, for lashes, I am wearing my favorite Ardell 3D Faux Minx in the style 858. Alright, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you decide to recreate this look, please tag or message me on Instagram because I'd love to see your recreation of it. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already, and turn on the bell for post notifications. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Valentina and I upload 3 times a week. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.